Alcatel has been offering smartphones for quite some time, but its brand never quite made a splash in the United States. That's probably because the company hasn't tried to vie for the flagship market. It's been focused on lower-tier, budget devices instead. Alcatel's long-winded naming structure was also a stumbling block, XA0 Take for example. The Alcatel One Touch Fierce XL. Thankfully, the company corrected its branding and dropped the One Touch name altogether earlier this year. The same time it made that announcement, it also unveiled the Idol 4S, the fourth generation in the Idol lineup and the company's 2016 flagship smartphone. At $400, the Idol 4S isn't a budget device, it's effectively in the mid-range category. That means it's competing with smartphones such as the UU and it performs really well in various categories and like the aforementioned phones. It also offers a near-stock Android-like experience with minimal bloatware. The Idol 4S has the makings of a solid smartphone, but how does it hold up against the OnePlus 3 and Axon 7? Let's dive in. The Idol 4S doesn't look like a $400 device, it looks better. The 5.5-inch phone is thin and it has a nice metal frame going around it, with the antenna bands on the bottom and top. There's 2.5D glass on the back and on the front, which isn't slippery at all. Concerned the glass might be slippery, Alcatel is bundling an Incipio case along with the device, as well as a tempered glass screen protector. The downside is that the phone is a fingerprint magnet. The black color masks some of it, but you will want to carry a microfiber cloth with you. Glass isn't that durable, either, so you'll likely want a case. The smartphone looks almost exactly like the Samsung Galaxy S7 from the back. It has a similarly shaped 16-megapixel camera that sticks out, and a flash on its right. The only difference is that Alcatel put the fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone. Most Android manufacturers put the sensor on the back, and that's what we prefer. But if that irks you, there are plenty of Android devices like the HTC 10 and Galaxy phones that offer a sensor on the front. While we're on the topic of the fingerprint sensor, it worked fairly well for us. It's not breaking any